this video, we will see about the preamble of our constitution. The preamble of our constitution goes like this. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens the justice, social, economic, and political, the liberty of thought and expressions, belief, faith, and worship, and then the equality of status as well as the status and of opportunities, and to promote them among all, and fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual as well as the unity and the integrity of the nation. So that's how a preamble goes. So as far as the nature of a preamble is concerned, it is non-justiciable in nature. That means whatever is told in the preamble cannot be enforced in the court of law, and also it cannot override the special provisions of the constitution. Meaning, if there is a uh, conflict between the preamble's objective as well as the special provisions of the constitution, it is always a special provision of the constitution that wins this war. And also, the preamble of the constitution states the values and the objectives of the constitution, okay, which it wants to establish as well as to promote among our citizens. So that's as far as the nature of the preamble is concerned. Now let's see about the various objectives in our preamble. The first one is the sovereign. So sovereign says means actually it is the supreme and absolute power acknowledging no superior. And also the article 51A subsection C says it shall be the duty of every individual to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and the integrity of the India. And next part is the socialism. Socialism actually is starred. Socialism as a adjective came into the preamble. It was amended into the preamble by the 42nd Amendment of 1976 during the Indira Gandhi period, and that's the only amendment that we made to the Constitution so far. So what is socialism? So socialism so is about ending poverty, disease, ignorance, and inequality of opportunity. So even though we have two types of socialism like democratic socialism and communist socialism, India is following democratic socialism. Communist socialism tries to nationalize all the resources, means the production as well as the distribution, everything it will be nationalized. But in the case of the democratic socialism, there will be a concept of mixed economy where the private players and the public players will be working together to achieve this so-called socialism in India. So it's actually a mix of the Marxism as well as the Gandhism. So it is called so democratic socialism. The third thing that we are going to see is the secularism. So secularism means neutral in religious matters and treats all religion impartially. So democracy, let's see. What is the democracy? It is like a freedom of the choice of the people. The rule of the people, we say. Government of the people, for the people, and by the people as told by Abraham Lincoln. So it is the freedom of choice of the people. And also it is a form of government which gets its authority from the will of the people expressed in an election. And also in India we are having a representative democracy. We have two types of democracy: direct democracy, where the people itself will be the rulers, and so they will be participating in the important decisions directly. But representative democracy, we actually elect our representatives. So-called the representatives will make laws, and also they take decisions on behalf of the citizens who elected them. That's why India is called a representative democracy. And also this term democracy is very wide, as it not only includes political but also it includes the social and the economic democracy. So as a whole, if the democracy tries to if it tries to achieve the political democracy, social democracy and economic democracy, then we have equality politically, socially and economically, which will lead to egalitarian society. Then republic call a president, okay, who is the head of the state, and also he is elected by the people for the tenure of 5 years. So usually the democratic politics, democratic politics will be classified into two types. One is the republic, another one is the monarchy. So in monarchy, which is followed in British, where the Queen Elizabeth and the Queen, okay, hereditary, the Queen's family will be ruling hereditary. So here in the republic, it is actually the people who rule, or the elected representatives who rule. So hereditary rule is actually discouraged here, and that's about, okay, the republic. Now let's see the justice, which are the other adjectives that is being mentioned in our preamble. So justice actually is of three parts, that is social justice, economic justice, and political justice. So India tries to achieve this social justice by equal treatment of all citizens without any social distinction based on the caste, creed, race, religion, gender, etc. And also economic justice. So economic justice means non-discrimination by eliminating the economic inequalities based on the wealth, property, and the income. So this two is together called, the social justice and the economic justice is together called distributive justice. Okay, so the third justice is political justice, equal political rights, equal access to all the political office, and equal voice in the government for all the citizens. That's what, okay, justice is all about. Now let's see about the liberty. So liberty means the absence of the restraints on the actions of the individual. Individual has the freedom to do anything. So that's called liberty. So the liberty of the thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship through the fundamental rights, okay, is actually through fundamental rights, which is actually the part 3 of our constitution, and also it is enforceable in the court of law in case these rights were not actually given to us, or it is being impinged by someone. And also these rights are not, okay, absolute, they are only qualified. So we have some restrictions, okay, on these fundamental rights. That's what the phrase says. And the next thing is equality. So equality means the absence of special privileges to any section of the society. So in equality, we have equality of status as well as equality in terms of opportunity. So every citizen is entitled to equality before law. So before the eyes of law, everyone is equal, and also there will be equal protection of the law. So we have three types of equality: civic equality, political equality, and economic equality. So let's see about civic equality. Civic equality is achieved through equality before law as per the article number 14. And also the prohibition of the discrimination on the grounds of race, religion, gender, caste, sex, and place of birth. That's as per the article 15. We are trying to promote the civic equality. And the equality of the opportunity in matters of the public employment, that is as per the article 16. And the abolition of untouchability as per the article 17. We are trying to impose the civic equality. And also the abolition of titles as per the article 18. After civic equality, we have political equality. So no person is ineligible to vote in India as per the article 325. And also the elections of Lok Sabha and the state assemblies on the basis of the adult suffrage. So this is as per the article number 326. So that's how we promote the political equality in our country. And then we have the economic inequality. So economic inequality is like equal pay for equal work. This is as per the directive principles of state policy, which is mentioned in the article number 39. So that's about the equality. And finally, fraternity. Fraternity means sense of brotherhood. So it promotes this sense of brotherhood. India promotes the sense of brotherhood by the concept of single citizenship. So here the dignity of the individual is actually protected, as well as the national integrity is protected. So how the dignity of the individual is protected? Dignity of the individual is protected as in, like, the personality of the every individual is considered sacred and is enshrined in the fundamental rights as well as the directive principles of the state policy. And also the duty of every citizen is to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of the public. And then we have unity and the integrity of the nation. So integrity of the nation in the sense which includes both psychological as well as territorial. And also in the article 1, which actually talks about, which is actually belonging to the part 1 of our constitution. Okay, it states that India as a union of states. No state has a right to secede or detach itself from the union, and thus we preserve the unity